The xamGridWordWriter allows you to export xamGrid data into a Word document, and it's all done using managed code without any dependencies on Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office. So the machine that this runs on does not have to have Microsoft Word installed in order to generate Word documents. However, in order to view them and edit them, it's a good idea to have Microsoft Word on there for the end result. But the point is that you don't have to worry about targeting specific versions of Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office when building your app and deploying it to your target machines through this Silverlight application. So the great thing about the Word Writer is that whatever the end user does to the xamGrid gets translated into the Word document, and you also have properties that allow you to include or exclude various functionalities of the grid, such as do you want to include or exclude filters, fixed columns, group by, sorting, summaries, and formatting strings applied to the column. And if you have paging enabled, you can also choose to export the entire data source or just the current page of data. So right now I'll just include everything. So let's say if I filter AL, or how about something with a D in there, give me everything that has the letter C. Okay, that's good. So we have a filter applied. I want to pin down the name column over here. Let's also create a grouping. So if I sort on category, notice that I can drag and drop the category grouping here and create my groups. So everything is grouped by category, so a distinct list of categories, beverages, and all the items that relate to beverages are underneath this parent row. So, and we also have things like summaries and various items. So if I add a quick summary here, or several summaries, and we click the export data button, and I'm prompted for a download, and save it, and then we can load it up to see what it looks like. And here it is. If I move it into position, we notice that we have the grouping, we have the name column that has been pinned down to the left hand side is here, we have our summaries, and we have the entire data source within this Word document. And again, the filter is also applied. So this is great. This is a really easy way for you guys out there to provide your end users with the ability to export into Word. And it's very simple, because I'll show you the code real quick on how this works. So if I go to the sample source code down below, here's where all the magic happens. So essentially you need to fire up a save file dialog, because this is in Silverlight, and you need to get access to the stream that is provided by the open file method of the save file dialog. Once you have that stream, all you need to do is call the WordWriter object.export method, and then you pass in the grid that you wish to export, as well as a valid stream object. And then the other thing is you could also set properties on it so that you can kind of define what you want to include or exclude as well.
Infragistics. On the web at infragistics.com.